It is always a pain to drive back home after an evening with friends, especially if alcohol is involved. It also burns a hole in the pockets to take a taxi both ways or to have a driver waiting till the night is out. This is where we come in. We at EasyDrop provide a safe, hassle-free and inexpensive alternative to taxi cabs. We are a designated driver on-call service where a well-trained and dependable chauffeur is only one phone call away. He arrives at your venue and drives you home in your car. No more irritating chauffeurs, expensive cabs or the hassles of public transport being unavailable after hours. The beginnings of EasyDrop are humble. We started with 3 drivers and a motorcycle. Waves Sea Rock, a national level semi-professional rock band competition, had their eliminations at Suravi in New Delhi, and we chose this event to launch EasyDrop in earnest. With our drivers and pamphlets to be distributed within the audience at Suravi, telling them that there would be someone to drive them home after an evening of good music. The MVP was a success, where we managed to make 5 trips in all. We were short-staffed to handle the total potential customers, but the 5 trips we made that particular day provided invaluable feedback to help us iterate further. It also got us much needed publicity with a mention as Drive Safe partners of Sea Rock 2012 in the Deccan Herald. As a part of the MVP, we distributed pamphlets at the venue. Receipts were given to each of our customers and feedback forms duly collected. To round it all up, our drivers wore ID cards so that the customers knew exactly who was driving them. Here is some of the feedback that we received that helped our pilot run iterate to the small-scale operation it is now. Our model is simple. There is a demand for designated drivers to drive people home after they have had an evening on the town. We have customized our service to fit the demand for both one-way pickups or drops as well as two-way ferrying. We cater to people who wish to have the convenience of their own vehicle to drive to a venue or those responsible citizens who would not drive back intoxicated. Our product is positioned as a cheap alternative to a two-way taxi, a safer alternative to driving drunk, and a convenient alternative to errant public transport. Further iterations include extending this service to day trips, where only occasional use of chauffeurs is required, which means it would be futile to have a full-time chauffeur, and also to weekend chauffeurs who would drive you and your family on a daily wage to any place within a 6-hour drive radius. A few competitors exist at the moment in this market area, as the idea of such a service is quite novel in Delhi, and we wish to capitalize on this fact, ensuring a large share of a potentially huge market. On the supply side, we source drivers from both private chauffeur networks as well as taxi stands. We partner with nightclubs, bars, and possibly alcohol companies who wish to gain an image of socially responsible corporations, which is a win-win for both them and us. We try to do as many things in-house as possible to save on costs, like driver training, dispatch, website development, and continuously iterating based on customer feedback. Currently, we are using a GPS tracking application to continuously monitor driver whereabouts and to ensure the safety and the security of our customers. It's been almost 8 weeks since the commencement of our service, and we have served 30 odd unique customers. Our methods include advertising on Facebook, circulating pamphlets along with local newspapers, and most importantly through word of mouth in the various clubs and lounges we have collaborated with. Facebook proved to be a very healthy medium of publicity. We've observed that it leaves a great impression on the customer when customers view pictures posted on the pages of such venues and see information of our services or feedback from other customers. Our first few clients were through Facebook publicity itself. With the ongoing festival season, we have managed to keep an average of 5 to 7 trips per week, mostly in the nightlife hubs during weekends. Our practice of an after-service feedback has constantly helped us to improve on our services and make a comfortable drive for our customers back home, which in turn brought us traction through word of mouth. We plan to consolidate our current position and grab as much of the nighttime designated driver market as possible. We are on the way to that by tying up with new clubs such as Urban Pind in Delhi and trying to expand our fleet of drivers from 5 to 15 and also increasing the size of our customer base.